You're probably here wondering how to change from light mode to dark mode, so for easier reading. So what you do on your Windows, you right click on it, then you go to personalize right here, just choose that, and then it opens another window, and then just choose colors option. There's a choose mode right here, and so it says light right now. Light, I'm going to show you everything is light. So everything is bright color on dark fonts right here, on black fonts. So if you go to a website, Google, it's gonna be shown in light colors right here, which is kind of bright for your eyes sometimes. And if you go to YouTube, it's gonna be all white background, black font. Sometimes it's good for your eyes because you're staring at your computers all day long. Using dark mode, which is better. And so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So if you go back to the personalization colors right here, if you choose on the right side, like right here, and you choose dark, and everything becomes dark, so it's easier for reading. The background becomes dark, the font becomes white, and this is easier for reading, and your eyes will think your computer, making it easier for it to look at. And so if you refresh YouTube after doing this, and everything will change to dark right here. So the background will be dark and the text will be white. So this is easier for reading, even if you increase the screen brightness, so on. And if you go back to Google, you hit refresh right here, and it will turn dark. So all the results, if you type, for example, like this, it's gonna be black background on the white font, which is easier for reading, versus the other one, which is the light mode. It's gonna be all white right here, and if you refresh right here, it's gonna be really bright. And this is nice. I mean, it's good, but sometimes it's you're staring at your screen all day long. It can hurt your eyes. So this is a great way for you to, stay more productive and hurt less your eyes. This is nice. And you can also choose this option. There's a custom mode right here at the bottom. You have the option to choose your default Windows mode to be light or dark, which refers to this bar at the bottom. So watch me change to dark. So this will be dark if I put it light. So if you do dark, this only the bar at the bottom will be dark, but all other windows will be light. So the app mode, this is what it means, light. So even your browser and so on, if you refresh it, it's gonna be in light mode. So this is actually what it means. So only the bottom bar will be dark. So if I choose this to be dark, and everything will be dark actually. So you can choose to use different settings for your YouTube. If you right click on the top right here, if you click on it, and then you go to appearance device theme right here, and you can do use device theme. That means it's gonna follow whatever the Windows theme is, the Windows mode, if it's light or dark. If you go dark theme, it's already dark, so you want to use light theme, and then switch to light theme. So everything else will be dark. So if I open this gonna be dark, but your YouTube is gonna be light theme. So you can use this option to not follow if you prefer to have YouTube on light, and usually I put it as device theme. If you guys find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.